Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Prince Poppy's vlog. Hello guys, we're here at the hospital right now. Actually, I'm working, so it's our break time, and I'm only given around 45 minutes for my break. So we'll see what we can eat today. Actually, guys, I really have a good supper tonight because it was made by my wife. So what she made for me, may ilaw dito guys. What she made for me are spring rolls, guys. I have veggie spring rolls. Actually, nandito ako ngayon guys parking. And we're going to have some spring rolls for supper guys. Hopefully malutong pa. Choose air fry to fry our spring rolls guys. Pag sabi natin yung meat, the beef or pork siomai, pork Shanghai or lumpia Shanghai, it's better if you do that on a deep fryer. Pero guys, pag sabi natin mga lumpia na veggies, we can already use the air fryer. Tima tayo dito ng sausawan kasi misis nilagay ng sausawan. Nilagay dito guys sa ziplock. So this is the sweet sauce, and I also got vinegar. So try muna natin sweet sauce guys. Wala akong rice for supper. I only got this vegetable, and I'm going to work for 12 hours. Hindi siya masyadong malutong guys, but yung sarap niyan dun pa din. After she gave me 5 spring rolls. So, ang naman nito guys, carrots, may singkamas, may young sprout, may patatas, I don't know kung may singkamas, walang singkamas. So, may patatas, may carrots, pero walang meat. I don't know what are the other vegetables. Kasi, hindi akong gumagawa, siyang gumagawa nito. Siyang matyaga, gumawa. Ako guys, nakakain lang. Top. Veggie spring roll with sweet sauce. So, try natin ang suka. Kasi mas maraming gustong suka guys. And that may suka here. So, this is the pinakurat. Tikman natin. Kaya ako guys, patingin-tingin sa likod because sometimes we got a lot of homeless here dito sa area na to guys. Kaya, if you park your car here, make sure that you lock. Kasi nga, ang ibang homeless pinapasok. Pero mas safe dito guys because before, para makalibre ako ng parking, I park close to the residential areas. Kaya lang guys, marami nang umaalis doon kasi binabasag ng mga homeless yung kanilang glass. And then yan na ako ang gamit sa loob. Kaya I prefer to park here even though we pay around $15 for 24-hour parking. Dito na lang guys kasi pwede na pasukin kung open ang door, but I don't think so they'll have the guts to break into your car kasi nga kahit pa paano yung mga security dito. So ito na ang ating pinakurat. Tignan natin guys. Kasi sarap pa rin ang suka. Hindi kahit saan pagkain ba sa suka masarap. It's the best. Ang sweet sauce, it's good. Pero hindi siya kasing sarap ng pinakurat. And make sure if you have your food mukbang in the car, make sure that you have tissue. Mas masarap tayo ang suka. Promise. Hmm. Kakalat na ako sa car. I wish I brought a garbage here. Some garbage. I throw it later. Madali lang ating supper break guys. 45 minutes lang. Kaya sabi ko, I'll vlog this before I go back to work. Kasi after this guys, I'm still going to call my wife. And I just did this because I'm eating supper. So better vlog at the same time guys. So I still got 2 left here. Kainin na natin. So 2 more spring roll. Just for your information. Naramdaman ko pa yung hanghang ng ating pinakurat guys. Yan. Shout out to Teria and Uncle Melvin in Montreal. Sarap. Ang sarap pag gutom. Mababa pang oras ko guys because today is, or not today. At this time, it's 9 o'clock. So, ang break time natin till 9:30. And then, uwi pa ako ng 7:15 in the morning bukas. Tapos, ang mga pasyente namin ngayon, dito sa general medicine, mga ligaga. Kaya, I have to have a lot of energy. Pagkat mag-drinker, hindi mawawala ang Coke Zero. Busy na ako kumain, no? Okay. One more for my supper break. Fresh vegetable lumpia. Or spring roll. No meat. Sa problema, hindi ko alam kung ano mga vegetable sa loob. Nakikita ko lang ang carrots, guys. Sarap kumain pag pagod. Especially if you came from work. Masarap kumain. You know, parang feeling mo na you did a lot of things and then you just enjoy food. Up. Basta ako kumain guys. Next time, see you on my next vlog. Prince Poppy or Prince Poppy's channel or Prince Poppy's vlog. Bye bye and peace out.